Alright, today we're doing a vent tab install on this 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and this is the driver's side vent. And first you want to find the blade which the vent tab goes on. As you can see, it's indented like this. I think we're going to center it. And the back blade has this post where I want this towards the top of its range of motion. And here is the vent tab. And we want the prongs on the inside of the blade. And you can push it on just a little bit and then line up the back prongs with the top post like that. And then just when everything's lined up, push it in place. And it's all good. You have a working vent again.